ready to transform raw data into stunning, shareable visualizations. Today, we're diving into how to get Tableau public, a powerful, free tool for data visualization. First, head to the Tableau public website. A quick internet search, such as Tableau public download, will lead you to the right place. Once you're on the site, look for the download button. It's usually brightly colored and easy to spot. You will likely be asked for your name and email address to proceed with the download. Enter the requested details and proceed. The download will begin automatically. Keep an eye on your downloads folder or your browser's download progress bar to monitor its completion. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. You might need to confirm your permission to allow changes to your device. Now, follow the on-screen prompts within the installation wizard. This will guide you through the setup process. You may have to agree to the user agreement. After the installation is complete, launch Tableau Public. You will see the interface you're now ready to create. Remember, with Tableau Public, your work saves to the Tableau Public platform, making your visualizations accessible online. The files are saved on the public cloud and therefore are not private. While Tableau Public is free, it's a fantastic tool for learning, practicing visualization, and building a portfolio. Explore the platform and get creative. Happy visualizing!